let's look at these two. Converting from degrees to radians, and then converting from radians to degrees. Okay. Now, converting from degrees to radians, all that you need to do is you multiply the angle given by pi over 180 degrees. You multiply by pi over 180. Okay. Then, converting from the radians to degrees, you multiply by 180 over pi. Okay. So, converting from degrees to radian, you multiply, so multiply by, let me write it here. So multiply by pi over 180 degrees. Then from radians to degrees, we multiply by, let me write it here. So we multiply by we multiply by 180 over pi. Okay. So now let's look at examples to see how we can do the conversion. Before we look at examples, let's go for this short commercial break. Okay, so let's see how we can change from degree measure to radian measure. So you press shift mode. So degree measure is 3 and then radian measure is 4. So if it's in degree measure, let's say if it is 3, then you see this small d, this small d at the top. That's what I'm talking about, the small d. Okay, if you want to change it from degree to radian measure, so shift mode, then you press, radian measure is number 4. So you press 4. And then you see the D which has changed to R. Okay. Okay, so now let's look at these two examples. We are to convert 150 degrees to radians, and then again after that we'll convert 225 degrees to radians. Okay, so I said to convert from degrees to radians, we multiply by pi over 180. So it means that in the first case, 150 should be multiplied by pi over 180 degrees. Okay, now this is the same as 150 pi over 180 degrees. So this is 150 degrees times pi is 150 degrees pi. Okay, now 3 into, this will take care of this one. 3 into 15 is 5. And then 3 into 18 is 6. So the answer becomes 5 over 6 pi. 5 over 6 pi radians. So then 5 over 6 pi radians as our answer. We are multiplying this by pi over 180. Now let's look at the second example, this one. So this one too, we need to multiply this by pi over 180. Okay. So for 225 degrees, converting into radians, we need to also multiply this by pi over 180 degrees. Okay. So let's get, we can divide this by 5. 5 into 225 is 45. Then 5 into 180 is also 36. So we have 45 over 36 pi. Now let's reduce this again. Okay, so 9 into 45 is 5. And then 9 into 36 is 4. So the answer is 5 over 4 pi radians. Okay, so I said to convert from degrees to radians, we multiply by pi over 180. Okay, pi over 180. Now let's look at the other way around, converting from radians to degree. So I'm going to use the examples that this one. So we are going to convert this to degrees. So 5 over 4 pi radians. We are converting it to degrees. So 2 degrees. to degrees. So what we are going to do is, we are going to multiply this by 180 over pi. So 5 over 4 pi times 180 over pi. Okay, so in this case, pi will take care of pi. So 4 into 180 is 45. It's 45. Now we multiply 5 by 5 and 45. So that is going to be 225 degrees. 225 degrees. Then let's take the first example. The converting it from the one we had 5 over 6 pi. So let's convert 5 over 6 pi radians to degrees. Okay, and that is also going to be, we need to multiply this by 180 over pi. So 5 over 6 pi times 180 over pi. So like we did earlier, this will cancel this one. Then, so 30 degrees, 30. And 5 times 30 is 150 degrees. So that is that. Okay. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this channel. The name has always been Odum Maths. Bye.